Alright everyone, so you just got a good glimpse of the neighborhood. You can see where the property sits, what it looks like from the outside. Now I'm going to take you inside the home and you can see all the work that was recently done on the property. The kitchen is where the main focus was at. We repainted the cabinets, or the seller repainted the cabinets, put new granite countertops, put a new new range you can see right there on the countertop. There was also another room right there that's currently being used as a separate dining room, but could very easily be used as a third bedroom. These are the two bedrooms on the main side of the property. And this is the main house bathroom. Now we're going to walk around the back to get to the other side of the property, which currently is a Rompus room, legally added, with an enclosed patio, with another full bathroom as well. So this is the enclosed patio, has a small kitchenette that you can use. And then that room right there is the Rompus room. Again, this is all legally added on by the property through the city of Downey. This could also be used as another bedroom. Has its own full bath. And off to the right there was also a one-car garage. So there you have it. You've gotten a good glimpse of the neighborhood. You've gotten a sneak peek on the inside of the property. If you or anyone you know is looking to move into the city of Downey in a highly desirable area, northeast, right next to Stonewood Mall, please give me a call. My name is Jonathan Villascusa, and I work with Century 21 All-Stars. You can reach me by phone or text at 562-652-7667, and looking forward to helping you purchase this home.